I just want to say I had my first experience as a doctor giving my first ever CPR, because me coming from a private deemed college, our most of our experiences have been on mannequins, and even as being an intern हमने ज़्यादा patient hands-on करा नहीं है because of consent and paperwork and everything, unlike other government colleges in India जहाँ पर लोग ज़्यादा hands-on का experience as a young doctor ले सकते हैं. Anyways, I came to Anse Lazio, जिसके बारे में मैंने बताया था, one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, one of the most beautiful beaches as stated in so many articles online. I come here, I start clicking some pictures, and the first thing I see is a group of 8-10 people, not 8, 6 to 8 people carrying an old man, and making him lie down supine on the sand. यही sand. Location यहीं कहीं थी, उसी के पास हूँ मैं अभी. First thing my dad says is, Inish, time for CPR. मैंने सब कुछ छोड़ा और मैं और पापा भागे वहाँ पर सबने क्राउड किया हुआ था. पापा एंड आई पापा मेड श्योर कि सब लोग थोड़ा उसको एयर दे, लाइक व्हाट वी डू सीन सेफ्टी, लोगों को हम हटाते हैं सीन से. दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड. एंड आई वाज ऑल्टरनेटिंग विद अ फ्रेंच नर्स, दिस गाय फ्रॉम फ्रांस, एंड it all started of course with the CPR. There was no pulse, radial, carotid, carotid and radial हमने 10 सेकंड के लिए फील की थी. No pulse, and we started with CPR. This guy, this French nurse, did 2 cycles. Apparently, unlike the protocol, we were 3 of us, 2 of us alternating, the French nurse and me, and this guy, third guy I guess was localite from Seychelles, who was giving air, mouth to mouth, but with the this instrument I forgot. Anyways, so this French nurse, he gave 2 cycles of CPR, and once he was done, once he was almost done, he told me, will you take over? I said yes. फिर मैंने 30:2 के 2 cycles दिए और फिर वो फिर से हवा देते गया. Within the course of time, I saw this guy जो ऐसे unconscious था, and उसका bleeding भी हो रहा था. So what people told me, this guy actually hit himself against a rock. ये जो rocky beach है, he hit himself against the rock and he fell in the water. जो मुझे लोगों ने बताया, I don't know, I just saw him being carried to this place. And he was breathing, frothing हो रहा था. We thought he went into pulmonary edema, etc., whatever. Within 6 cycles, I feel we gave 6 cycles of CPR. We saw, he started opening his mouth ऐसे थोड़ा, and he started moving his face ऐसे. So we thought something good is happening, and post which I just palpated, because so people started crowding over his wife, this oldie. She started taking over, panicking ki mera husband, something in Italian they were saying, I don't know. And what happened after that? We did 6 cycles. I feel the ambulance had arrived after that. They didn't have an AED. Yes, automatic external defibrillator nahi tha inke paas. The lifeguard also said we don't have an AED. So what we did was we only gave CPR and mouth-to-mouth air through that instrument. And what I remember was I palpated his posterior tibial artery. I don't know why, but his pulse was bounding. I could feel his pulse, and all we knew was, okay, uska pulse aa raha hai. He is moving. He's opening his mouth, and he also nodded once, so we knew, okay, he's fine. Uska perfusion ho raha hai puri body ka, and uske baad ambulance aaye and he took him. So yeah, that was my first experience as an intern giving a CPR in Seychelles on an Italian old man. And you know how things happen, because I was just waiting for my emergency posting jahan par main thoda intervention karu, but of course this vacation happened, and that's when I got my first intervention in any form. But getting a knowledge of CPR is so important. It can save lives, and it did today. So yeah.